friends, Casey Ashmore back in the studio, coming at you today on this continuing topic on family law. And if any of you know me, you know I'm passionate about this area of law. A lot of cases, a lot of community involvement, volunteering, working with CASA, and supporting those in our community who are going through these tough times. I want to make a comment and a heartfelt acknowledgement of the challenges that are rocking our country right now, not only the attempt of many businesses to recover from the economic hardship caused by the coronavirus, but also the social pressures of what happened in Mr. Floyd's case in Minnesota, and not to remain silent, and to try to be the light and bring the light and send out heartfelt thoughts and prayers, and to try to be an instrument of change. And you know, that's something we've all had to reflect on, and how we're going to do that. And solidarity and unity, you know, the motto of our great country is out of many, one, and that is what we need to continue to strive towards. That being said, I'm doing a video series on Texas family law and protective orders, Title IV protective orders, temporary restraining orders, the differences between those, and, you know, recap. The Title IV protective order is the one that will exclude one spouse from the home because of allegations of violence, and they can be issued by almost any magistrate in an emergency situation. But more generally, it's a court with the authority to handle a family court case, which is usually a district court in most Texas counties, but county courts at law have been given family court authority in counties with large populations, because that expedites the administration of justice. Now, a temporary restraining order is not a Title IV protective order, and it's kind of confusing because they both have similar words. They're both temporary. They both have the word order in them. So a temporary protective order and a temporary restraining order sound alike, and in a lot of ways they're similar, but only the protective order grants the exclusion from the home of the alleged abuser, and they are reserved for those who are alleged to have caused family violence, and the abuser is excluded from the home. And it's a hearing, at least that initial hearing is one that occurs outside the presence of that other party. It's one of the few times under our constitutional framework you don't have the right to cross-examine the witnesses against you, because it is a temporary order and you'll get one later. Temporary restraining orders work in a similar way. It's an initial ex parte hearing, which means it's without or at the exclusion of the other party, just you and the judge and your attorney. And that temporary restraining order, not the same as a Title IV protective order, which we call a kick-out order. It restrains and puts impositions on conduct that are just short of the conduct that's alleged in a family violence application for a protective order. So I know that's kind of confusing. I'm going to delve into that more in the next segment. Please message me if you have any questions or comments. Like, subscribe, and share. And I see you guys in the studio as I continue on this deep dive into Texas family law. Thank you so much for watching, and know that we are thinking about all of you.